Yeah, it pretty much lives at that. If we'll have to burn fuel sometimes to build a lift. We have a patient. More so on like the 911 calls. We don't know.
I like your hat, sir.
Thank you.
Did you serve in the Navy or something?
No, I work at election day.
Oh, the hat maybe assumed you did.
Yeah, yeah. So I was give me on election day. I work volunteer for election.
Because you'll pull, like the pilots will pull, you'll start to hit the limiter, and you'll pop up off the ground, but you can't get out of the ground. So you'll have to sit there and hold it right under the limiter, burn enough gas, and then the pulling it takes right off. I believe. Hey, Roy.
There you go. Okay, come on.
Bye-bye.
August 14 we could.
He loves kids.
The ones are done? Look like that. All right. All right. If you do this, no.